Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just chilling. Just got my Genusity unit hooked up, and just to show people, it really do work. If you look right here, I just opened up my notifications. Hopefully, you can see this. Uh, Hold on. There you go. If you see where it says "Hate your 9 to 5," right there. Hopefully, you can see it. The lighting all hard to see, but it works. It works. I'm excited about it, about to get out here and work. Now, keep in mind, whatever your business is, you can use this. You can market whatever you want. You see, this is my real smartphone. It's got a glare. I don't know why I got a glare. Such a bad glare. Anyway, you see, this is my phone, right? Usually my camera be over here, but I decided because I got it up, and it's working. So if you want to jump on, you already know. Link in the description. I ain't even looking at the camera, but hold up. But it's let's do this. Like, I'm excited about it, and it's very very easy to set up. It was extremely easy to set this up, and once you join, you need help. You have access to me. I can help you out, but it's very easy to set up, and you see my message wherever I go in a 150-foot radius. My message is gonna pop up on people's phones, and I'm excited about it. All right, so click the link in the description, and let's get going. Let's go.